Hi, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. This week's Stampy collab was hosted by Judinka Nail Art and these are the manicures we prepared. As always, you can find individual photos at the end of my video and links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. I used these two Essie nail polishes to create a gradient using this makeup sponge. The darker shade is called I'm Addicted and the light one is called Mint Candy Apple. To stamp, I'll be using the Curali stamping plate number 012. I wet the sponge and I applied a little bit of each nail polish and then gently sponge it onto my nail. Now I'll do a little bit of cleanup and apply a clear top coat. After cleaning up, this is what I have, and I wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like once I apply the clear top coat. As it is, it looks okay, but it doesn't look as nice, but once you apply a clear top coat, it totally changes it. It just melds the two colors together and it just makes it look more uniform. So beautiful. Let's finish off the rest. Once it dries, I'll be ready to stamp. I'm going to do a simple stamping using this Born Pretty stamping polish. I pick up the same image and stamp it on all the nails. For this nail, I want to try stamping using the Mint Candy Apple nail polish that I used as part of the base. Since it looks so light, I'm going to go ahead and stamp over it using the other nail polish that I used as a base. Now it's time for cleanup. First, I use a piece of tape to remove as much of the excess as possible. If there's any left over, I'll use a nail art brush dipped in acetone. Now I'm ready for the top coat, so I'll start off with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to prevent smudging of the image. Once it dries, I can apply a shiny top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!